Good morning to all. My name is Jimmy Andres Ruiz Cartagena, and visit my favorite singer for my English class and visit video, and we talk a little about the biography of the music artist Michael Jackson and my personal liking for a specific song of the singer, and really like to listen to his music, and I like to dance to his music as well. As many people like know, my favorite song is called Blue Jean, and I like song because the lyrics the important, and is the very romantic. So is the music of the song is the beautiful. Michael Jackson was an American singer and songwriter. He was born on August 29, 1958, and died at the age of 14 on June 25, 2009, of Los Angeles, California. From a very young age, he was part on the group the Jackson 5, when he has darling singer, and he has incredibly voice and incredibly ways of moving arise is they dance. He will play this smile, captivation people of all ages. He was definitely born to be a star for the genre, showing Eric Brown his great talents and ability to dominate taster. No one could beat his charisma on the stage. People see they fail and have his spade and handle. He has the mass artist glass of the Jackson subject's father told about the sport beans, by transforming Mukan is the very soon and different person than he was. It even said that he was dancing when he was teenager. He decided to go, and he saw see his own music, and he was the success because he grows a dancer. Many people love Michael Jackson of the world. He loved South American, the narrator Stacer knew. He had incredible energy, and you could feel energy when he was in a dance. He was creating sign by many people for their way feelings. He lies in for the figure because in the figure words a vis errati, and a trains and li you o chain. He says favorites, and people say he changed his skin color. Michael Jackson is now the greatest singer and one of the greatest performers of our razor. And a lovely youth, he was the great artist, and not like to the member he studied his biography. His leg is horseless amphibian. Thank you very much for your attention lesson.